The entire installation process should ensure that the brake disc is located in the middle of the brake pads to avoid friction. Use a 5mm wrench to replace our brake. Insert the brake cable into the brake. Tighten the brake cable firmly. And then use a plumb wrench to tighten the screw. Finally, test the effect. If the brakes you install are not sensitive enough, at this point, you need to use pliers to further tighten the brake cable, or adjust screw B to make the brake cable tighter.